Hi, welcome back to another episode of The Best Advice. I'm your host, David Best, sponsored by Unique Creations. Today, I want to talk about something different. So if you follow the channel, I'm talking about different vehicles, the why and why not. Today, I want to talk about American-made cars. So basically what I want to say is Americans still make good cars, but if you want to stretch your money and get the most for your money, just know which brand of American-made cars to buy. Dodge, Ford, Chevy, a lot of these cars, American-made cars, Buick, you have people that follow. People love Chevys, they love Fords, they love Dodges for different reasons. But what I'm going to say to you is, again, understand what you're buying. Most American-made cars, the trade-off is instead of buying Japanese, is it will last you a long time, but it will also, the parts and labor is a bit cheaper. Japanese cars tend not to break as much, but American cars still, you can get a lot of miles out of them, but you need to know how to work on a car or know somebody who can work on a car because still gonna have to replace little odd and end parts. And the good thing is it don't cost much. You can run to your local AutoZone, auto parts store and replace the parts on that. So what I wanna say is they are all good brand of vehicles. I've had them all except for a Chevrolet, I think. Nothing wrong with it, I just never bought one. But all these type vehicles are good cars. They're really good cars. You just got to know what to buy. So again, do your research. That's always what I'm going to tell you. Any type of car, I don't care what it is that you want to buy. Pick what model you want. Go on YouTube, Google it, problems with this type of car. And people are very honest in their opinions of their ownership. That's what keeps America alive. This honesty, telling people whether it's a good or bad experience. For myself, I tend to go to Japanese because I like longevity and I don't like to spend a lot of money repairing cars all the time. So I drive a Lexus, a Dodge truck, and a Nissan 300. These cars, they just last a very long time, and I hadn't had a lot of problem out of those. But don't get me wrong, you know, I drive the Dodge, and it's a very good vehicle. I've had the truck 25 years, still runs like brand new. But I have had to make small repairs here and there, rebuild a transmission. If I had done my own homework, I would have realized that Dodge are not one of the best ones when it comes to transmission. Not to say it's not a good vehicle by any means, because I still got it. But I would have picked something else or spent a little more for a better made vehicle. So I don't want to steer anybody away from American made cars. I'm just saying, please do your due diligence in checking on the type of vehicle you want to buy before you buy it. All right. So thank you for staying with me, and hopefully you can share this with somebody else and you have a great day. Bye.